If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Acrobat helps you create interactive forms in many ways. You can create forms in Acrobat from scratch, from an existing PDF, from forms created in Microsoft Word, or from scanned files. To create a form from an existing PDF in Acrobat, first open the PDF in Acrobat. Then either click the All Tools link in the top bar, click the View More link at the bottom of the panel to expand it to show all the tools if needed, and then click the Prepare a Form link, or click Edit in the top bar, and then click the Prepare a Form link in the panel to show the Prepare a Form view in the document window of Acrobat. The Prepare a Form view shows your form creation options in Acrobat as links at the left side of the view. The Select a File link is selected by default. If you opened a PDF in Acrobat, then Acrobat selects that file to convert into a form and shows it at the right side of the view. If needed to select a different PDF, click the Change File link that appears below the PDF preview to change the PDF to convert into a form. Optionally, to automatically add an electronic signature field to the PDF form, check the This document requires signatures checkbox. By default, the Auto Detect Form Fields option, which automatically detects and adds form fields when converting a file to a form in Acrobat, is on. To create a form from the selected PDF, click the Create Form button. Acrobat converts the selected PDF into a form, shows it in the document window, shows the Prepare a Form form editing panel at the left side of the window, and shows the Fields panel at the right side of the window. The Prepare a Form panel contains tools for adding form elements in Acrobat. Clicking its Options button in its upper right corner also shows advanced form management commands. The Fields panel at the right side of the window shows each form field identified within the PDF using the Auto Detect Form Fields option. At this point, you can then customize and save the form as needed, which we'll cover in the following lessons in this chapter. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.